When you upload to Lumenira, there are a lot of options, and Lumenira and Lumen will do a huge amount of the tedious work for you, such as generating titles and descriptions and tags. And that's the stuff which a lot of photographers don't do because they can't be asked, which is really important because it will get your images found if you want to sell them in the marketplace or get them just found online or by other users using the site. These things are really important, and Lumenira and Lumen will do a vast amount of it for you. So let's look at a couple of options. Let's grab an image and upload it. Right, so it is uploading.
Yeah.
You can see Lumenira, Lumen queued.
Yeah.
And that means that the AI is analysing your image and starting to write things for you.
Correct.
Talk us through some of these options because we'll see that appear as you're talking.
So what it's going to do is it's going to analyse that photo. It's going to create a title. It's going to create a description. It's going to create an alt text. It's going to create your mood tags. It's going to do all that. And then once that's done, it's then going to decide whether it fits into any of your existing albums or it needs to create a new album for that type of content. So that's what Lumen does on that page. You can actually control that in the Lumen settings, but it doesn't have any background.
Why did you take it?
Exactly.
How did you go about it? What was the environment you needed to do it?
So we offer the short story option. So you can write in there why you did it. A description. It only needs to be short. You don't want to do the whole lot. And it will use that as a seed phrase to determine the title, the tags, everything else. So it gives it that background that it is impossible for it to have without human intervention.
Talk me through some of the many other options.
We also have the private album upload. So if you are uploading photos for families or not safe for work content, as some of our photographers do, obviously we don't want that to be shown across the platform. You can set up private albums. And those albums can only be accessed by link or pay to access. You can also sell things within those albums. So if you went and did a wedding, for example, did a load of photos, uploaded them to our platform, you can upload them all straight into a private album, associate products with all of them, and send a link for that private album to the person you take the photos for, and they can just log in and pick the photos they want.
And order them as t-shirts, prints, mugs, whatever.
So you don't have to do anything apart from upload them. Obviously, auto tagging, so you can turn that on and off if you want. It's generally handy.
Auto tagging means that Lumen analyses the image.
So if it's a car, it says it's a car. It's fairly straightforward on that one. You can enable ratings. So our platform uses ratings to determine the level of what a photographer is. And we use that to make sure photos on the front page are of a high standard and of the top end of the marketplace. But you may want to do some experimental photography, or film is a common one, in which case you want to upload them, but you don't want them necessarily to be down rated because they don't fit the standard of the front page, for example. So you can actually turn your ratings off, or you can turn the ratings off all of your photos. If you're not interested in the rating part of the system and you just want somewhere to put your photos, you can just turn the ratings off. And the ratings off means that they don't turn up on the front page or the explore page, but all your followers can see them and they turn up on your profile and you can still sell them.
So if you want some feedback on something that you're experimenting with, that's a really great way to do it. And then you can request feedback from...
Exactly, yeah, through the feedback system.
Yeah.
You can schedule uploads. So if you're going away on holiday, you can upload 20 photos and it will either auto drip them using your preferences, so every 2, 4, 6, 12 out, whatever anyway. Or you can set manual dates, or you can use the system which basically analyzes all of your uploads, and when the uploads have got most views, it uses that data to then upload your content.
EXIF data, all this sort of thing. You can choose whether to show the original date and time that the image was created.
Yeah.
In case you don't want to do that, you can choose which data is shown. You can turn the EXIF data on.
You can
and
also
off.
set your location. So we have a world map in the discovery page, and you can pick anywhere you want. You can put a postcode in and put your content in, and that will then turn up on the explore page on the world map. And then you've got the automatic add to shop.
Yeah.
So that's when you upload. And finally, I'll actually show you the world map. So you just go to discovery, and then you open a map, and here you can see every photo on which is taken on the platform,
which has been tagged with the location.
Exactly, yeah.
Gotcha.
It's difficult to use a trackpad with, but
yeah.
But then let's say you click on that, and then you click on that, and then it brings you in, and then you click on that.
Starts to get more and more
and then-
granular.
yeah, and then it will go more and more. You click on that, and then there's the pictures. You see, so you can literally look around the world.
That is
And then
pretty
there's
cool,
more there,
isn't
and
it?
there's two there, and then there's one. There's actually two photos there. And then so those photos there were taken
Precisely in that
precisely
place.
there. Oh, we got some photos in Greenland.
Better known. Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Polar bear in Greenland.
Yeah,
Okay. And then I guess you can click through and go and have a proper look at it.
yeah, and there it is.
There's a lot of stuff there, but I think you can see the massive advantage it gives over pretty much any other platform on the planet.
Oh, yeah. No, it's a good platform. That's just how I built it.
Yeah, exactly.